So this is one bus that I have been trying to get a tour of for all of Schoolie Palooza. Now we're at RTR.
Oh, it should be pretty clean. Oh, no, it's not that clean. It's not.
And both kids are awake, so there's actually a chance I could get a tour.
I can do it really quick. You want a tour? I'll clean up and then say yes.
Sure.
Okay. Show you around?
Whenever you're ready.
Alright. Alright, my name's Jeremy and this is my bus, Goldie. This is the bed. The bed folds out to like about, I think, a full. And it's a little small for us. We're actually we have to switch that out. But anyway, we keep our storage here. It's my side, Chris's side. Little table we use for our TV at night or whatever. We don't use it very often. But we had to put magnets behind it because the thing would it'd bang nonstop.
Right.
So we put magnets there to keep it back.
Little cactus garden.
Little cactus garden. They're dying in the desert for some reason.
Go figure.
Yeah. It's our map of where we've been. I picked up the bus here, and then I drove it up there, and then now we've been touring around through here, wherever we're at. I don't know.
You're like me. Just missed Nevada.
Yeah, we've never hit Nevada.
Yeah.
I might go to Vegas just to scratch it off.
Yeah. Well, when I came here, coming across 40, I thought I was gonna just catch the corner.
Yeah.
Nope. I came just about there.
Yeah, we were like we were gonna go to Vegas because we were like right on the line, and then we ended up shooting down and going over.
We're gonna be in Parker. Which is like there. Might as well just go up and just cross the.
Just so you get it off your
there.
list.
I've been there.
Woo! This is the little modular table thing that was built for us, or for the bus.
Right.
The idea was they could undo these bolts, pull this out, and you could seat 4 people around it.
Right. And it's like a tool cart.
Yeah, it's a tool cart, so it's nice. You can pull, like, the door's all open, and then it's just one key to lock them all, which is cool. It's really nice.
Yeah.
And it has a little crank here. You can lift up and store a little bit in there, but not too much.
Right.
Should keep some safe stuff in there. There's our kitchen area. It's getting kind of dirty again. I guess that comes with living in a small space.
Yeah.
All our little knickknacks and stuff. We really like coffee, so we're trying to collect as we go, just like coffee cups in just random areas we've been.
Sure.
That's when I picked up the bus at the Alamo. One from Washington. It's fun.
You have to get a trailer at some point to
keep the cups.
Keep all the cups. Yeah. So you got a little apartment style, dorm style fridge.
Yeah, we thought it was gonna be too small, and we thought about getting one that would fit this whole space. Cause they make like side by side ones.
Right.
But we've learned to just use that space wisely, I guess. And eventually we're gonna take this out and make it a butcher block board, and it'll be an L. Like I think we were talking earlier, that went up to about here.
Sure.
But yeah. All our cabinets are magnetic locks, so they just use these little child-proof thingies.
Oh yeah.
That they're off right now since we've been parked, but it's pretty cool. They just lock and then let's do that. It's pretty. We like it.
Yep.
Works perfect when you drive. It's a fun spot, the bathroom. The water lines we're still hooking up in the shower because we had a problem with the water lines, so that's not hooked up right now.
Right.
So we just have our
Nature's head.
Yep. Way to go. Expensive toilet, I guess.
Yeah.
And then this is my daughter's loft, both of them. Their clothes are in the storage and the steps up. And up here's their little toy storage bedroom, whatever you want to call it. Play area. We all kind of just end up plopping on the same bed at night, so this ends up being this little playroom. Right here you can hang a swing set, but we don't have that yet. We have to build one. And then under here would be all our storage, like our garage, I guess. We have to figure out a new system for it because we want the shelves to go a little farther so we can hold more. And then all our solar stuff.
Right. And where are your batteries? They're underneath?
They're all underneath.
Okay.
Basically under there. There's 8 of them.
Yep.
And the tools and the cables and some paints.
Yep.
Now here's just the 4-foot deck. Watch your head.
Yeah, that's why I'm wearing a hat.
Yep. There you go. Now you're outside.
Yeah.
That's it.
Nice little deck.
Yeah.
No, you said you were telling me that this was built for, by some people for like a TV show.
Yeah, for a show called Bus Life Ever. Yeah, on HGTV.
Yeah.
Yeah, they built it for them.
Very short-lived show, from what I understand.
Yeah, they built the show. There's 3 or 4 buses, including this one. and the show didn't do too well, I'm guessing, and
Yeah.
we ended up getting a bus out of it.
The
So.
one I saw, it was an hour-long show, and they showed them working on the bus, and then it's done.
Yeah, it was like they did a little bit of
It's
work.
like, no,
and
you
here's
need
your
to
bus.
do one bus
They should've
whole season.
Or yeah, whole season, but extra, like show us step by step how you did things. That would have been a good show.
Yeah. Maybe I'll try to sell them on that idea.
should.
I don't want to be an HGTV
No,
star.
no.
Nah.
No, YouTube. All right.
I'd just like to be a YouTube star.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah, so you got you just started a channel.
I just started a channel, and I can't even make my name yet because don't even have 100 subscribers.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
this is Jeremy Beach, and then I do all my other photos and videos on Instagram.
Right. So this isn't going to be up until sometime in February, maybe
Okay.
early March.
Yeah,
Because I've got a long list
Yeah,
of
yeah.
schoolies. Let me know and I'll
Okay, yeah, we're gonna
put a link in.
yeah, as soon as I'm able to, I'll let you know.
Okay, cool.
I'm at 34, so
Hey,
we're getting there.
well, send me a link so I can subscribe.
I will. I'll do that.
So, well, there we go. Another schoolie, sort of a unique one. Definitely does stand out even amongst this crowd, which is saying something. So, see you later, YouTube, and next week will be hopefully be another schoolie, tour. So, see you later.